Welcome back to Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee. I am going to be sharing Milkshake app, which I cannot say without saying my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Okay, simmer down. But really though, Milkshake app. It is free. It looks like this right here, and it is a link in bio tool. But since we extra around here, it makes your link in bio so damn cute. So all you do is download the app, and then you're gonna go ahead and pick. They have different designs that you can choose from that's gonna fit your brand. So they have like simple, extra ones, traveling ones, floral, whatever kind of design that you like, you can choose and then insert a picture. The one that I chose is super on brand with me, as I will show you. So you just click the link in your bio and then it looks like this, and it's gonna be like my links, so that way you can do it. So if you do it, it's quick links. It goes to like my shirt, it can then go to my website. So you can put whatever you want, especially if you're an affiliate for brands, you can put like your Amazon links, your reward style, anything you want. If you work with a company, you can put your referral link so that way they can do it, and it's super freaking cute and it's free. So you just click back, so that way you only have that one link inside of your bio, and it's super easy. Milkshake is the app. It is right here. Oh, wrong way. I'm gonna do these live so you can see the struggle. The struggle is real. So there you go, Milkshake app in the App Store. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with another tutorial in a couple days.